We are at the Back to the Future Mall. Got my boy Brandon right here. And we did come here to come to the Champs outlet. So I need to exchange this. Hopefully I can find my size. So I'm looking to do an exchange. All I see are larges and mediums. I saw a couple smalls last time. What the hell is going on here? What's going on here? The only small one they have is this one right here. This is a cargo one and looks way more faded than the one I don't know. Is that just in my head? I don't know. Dude, I might just have to get the cargo ones, I guess. My kid liked the non-cargo ones, but I just brought some Crocs. I'm like, hey, are they cheaper here? No, I paid 20. I believe I paid 20, so no, but they got Crocs going for 40. They got them Galaxy ones. They're down to 30 right here. Got these, the English ones, right? The English. These are all going for $30 right here. And then these are 20. These are 20. I grabbed one of these here a while back for 20. This one's not a bad color. My kid's had this color too. He's had this color in the past. I just grabbed whatever was on sale in the past. The workers did find. No, I'm good. The workers did find one for me, so I'm gonna do this size swap. That's pretty cool. All right, we're moving on to the sneakers, seeing what's up with the men's sneakers right now. And I was telling Brandon, I don't understand the pricing scheme. I don't, because Foot Locker outlet, they've had these for a minute, but they're $40 over there. And so are these. I swear, I thought this was the one that I got here. Of course, you know, they sold out and then they got some more, but yeah, I grabbed, I swear, I think it's this one for $30 a while back. And then of course I got plenty of the Mellow 2s, Mellow 3s. Dang, mostly Mellow 3s right now, huh? Got the pink one, the gold one up top of the Mellow 1s. Those are like the late releases for the Mellow 1s. 2002 Rs right here, go for $130. We saw women's one at the Foot Locker outlet for a little bit cheaper, but yeah, $100. 2002 Rs, these are normally $145, so $45 off. They got multiple colorways. That black and white one, this one is tough, dude. This one's tough. And then that's like such nice material on it. But yeah, $130. Have you ever seen the Kawhi 3 before?
No.
I've never seen the Kawhi.
There's a reason why I haven't seen it.
I think I've seen them here. And that's it. I haven't seen these anywhere else.
The only person who had that shoe on is Kawhi.
Kawhi and everybody who wants it for a discount. Yeah, these are pretty awful looking, bro. Like, god dang, dude. I'm not a fan of those at all.
That's a Ross dress for your less special.
Dang, straight to Ross collection. And then they do have some Jordans right here, I guess. I don't know. Do you guys call these Jordans? Do you consider these Jordans or do you not consider them Jordans?
I mean, they're Jordans.
They're Jordans?
They're Team Jordans.
They're Team Jordans. Okay. You're very nice. Okay.
They're the off-brand Jordans.
I have a couple of retros up top.
They're not real retros.
Those are retros. 11s?
They're not real retros.
The 11 lows? You're wrong.
No, I'm not.
These came out in 90. What, 94?
Yeah, they did, but they wasn't on the Jordan card. Remember the card that used to come in the box? These were never on
Oh, okay, I get what you're saying. Okay. I'm like because I think the bread colorway, I think, was it the bread or was it
They never put them on the only 11.
Well, it wasn't those, was it? No, but there was one that did come out in 94 though.
No, yes, you're right about that. But the only ones that came on the card was the patent leather joints.
So you only got love for the OG 11s because that's what they put on the card. Okay. Not like I would buy these. I'm just saying. Not like
They've never made it to the court.
We've seen these for 75. I think I saw these for 75 at Shoe Palace, like when they were closing. But they got a couple. What do you guys think about those? More and more Team Jordans right here. Got all kinds of Team J's. Pretty much all 100. We've seen them cheaper at the outlets. We've even seen some of these cheaper at Chic and that type of stuff. The 312s got a couple of those. Got the Why Not. What are these? I don't know. They were the Take Ones. My bad. Take 1 5s right here. Got a few budgets. 270s. Starting to see 270s at some of the outlets, which is pretty dope. I was gonna show apparel, but look, I came across these Trae Youngs. $20 for Trae Youngs. Pretty much free. Holy cow! And they don't have price tags. Oh, are they all $20? Dude, that's cheaper than Ross, bro. Cheaper than Ross. Holy cow! All right, so we gotta look at these $30 for the classics right here. They're not bad. They're not bad. You get each one of these hella clean for $100. Got a entire collection. Got the Vans boots right here. $20 for Vans boots. Holy cow. $30 for these right here. And the suede is just phenomenal on these. Wow. Wow, that's cheaper than Ross. Wow. They must be getting all kinds of stuff. I'm seeing if they have any decent hats. Clippers hats. Clipper snapbacks. What we talk about right here? What we talk about? $20? $20 and below. Okay, so normally $35. Guess you're supposed to get a price check on all this stuff. They got a few hats, mostly like Adidas and that type of stuff. Like not too many team hats. But yeah, they got stuff. These worth it right here? $20, dog. $20. $20 like, ain't that crazy, dude? $20. Trae Young ain't getting no love. No love. $20. They got like 4 different colorways. They got decent sizes, 8s, 9s, 11s. Not worth it. Not worth the $20.
I got 5 for them.
You got 5. Damn. No love for Trae Young.
I got like $5.50 for them.
No love for ATL, huh? No love. This motherfucker at $5. This motherfucker at $5. What the hell? This fool. They got MB1 jackets right here. $20? $20 for an MB1 jacket? This is an XL? This is in the wrong place, right? This is in the wrong place, right? There's no way. Really? What the hell? We got the F1 shirts. I did buy a few of these for my kiddo. I think someone in the comment section was like, "Oh, those are trash." I'm like, "You're retarded. Who cares what I buy for my kid? You guys are dumb, dude." But yeah, it is what it is. Ooh, got more shirts right here. The MB1 shirts right here. Not from here. Oh, that's not bad. They got a few sizes. Oh, this is MB1 stuff as well. Or mellow gear. That's not bad, dude. They got entire line of stuff right here. Yep, mellows. Right. Got more La France mellow apparel right here. $20. Another $20 rack because this is another one. But yeah, I got shorts right here. Go for 20. This is size medium. These are hella short for a medium. God dang, dude. God dang. Yeah, that's just crazy. Crazy. But yeah, I do got more mellow stuff. They got all kinds of mellow stuff. Last time they just had 1 or 2, but they got all kinds of mellow stuff right here. Is that the original colorway of the Charlotte Hornets? I don't know. Going on with more of the mellow stuff right here. Look at this. $30 for the hoodies right here. That's his celebration of the 92-point game he had in high school. They got more La France stuff right here. Got multiple sizes and stuff too. All going for $30. They got Timberland stuff. Timberland hoodies. Normally, what, 68? Oh, 68, right? 68 down to 30. Pretty clean stuff. More and more La France stuff right here. $20, you guys. $20 freaking dollars. But I've been saying, hey, I can't just get stuff. But I have been playing hoops lately. Kind of back on it. Not very good, but I do play just for a workout. But these don't even feel like hoop sneakers. They don't. They feel like running sneakers. It's like super tight around the collar, which is probably what Trae Young likes, because I feel like every model's kind of been like this. Hard as hell to put on, but once it's on, just feels, I don't know, it just does not feel like a basketball sneaker. $20. I'm wondering. I can just leave them in my car and just, you know, if I ever play hoops anywhere, I can do that. Thinking about it. No Zoom Air, no. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. $20. $20. This fool said $5. This fool said it's worth $5. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. The Mitchell and S wall, not anything different. They still have the Kings Pro Standard stuff right there. They got the Dodgers Pro Standard stuff. Do got Raiders Steelers as well as the Rams. Those are going for $60 for those jackets. Those are normally like $130 or something like that. And then do got the Gretzky and Robitaille jerseys. Those are going for $100, normally $200, because those are the authentic NHL jerseys. We still got some of the Bel Air Academy shorts, so got plenty. But yeah, these are what, $10 or $20? Down to $10, and they're still not moving like that. Still do got these shorts right here. These are the Chinese New Year Mitchell and S 76ers jerseys. And I know someone who might want one, but I think this is just way too blingy for him. And they do have the Lakers swimming trunks right here with the ball catcher inside. 75 normally, down to $20. Still got some of those bad boys right there. These are just, man, these are so good for the winter, dude. Holy cap. I do have this one right here. I like this color and this color a little bit more, but I found mine for $10 at Ross. I really can't complain. The slides down to $40. Those were significantly cheaper at the Foot Locker outlet. Yeah, because they were what, 20 and 10. They were 20 and 10 over there. Have been looking for running shoes for one of the homegirls. Not seeing it here. Not seeing it here. This is the women's section, and I really don't see none. They got NMDs for $60, but I don't really see anything that stands out. Dang, is there even anything worth showing you guys? Because they got Air Max 90s, $100. Like, I feel like even at the retail stores we've been seeing them for this price. The Air Max 97s just have not been moving, because we've been seeing those for quite some time. Got Vapor Max going for $120, $100. And $100 right there. These ain't bad for $60. I did get this for my kiddo. He did run through it because he was playing soccer, and then, which wasn't really its primary use, or wasn't really made for soccer. The material up top just kind of eventually gave out, which kind of happens when you use the shoe for, I guess, quote unquote, the wrong purpose. We got a few retros here, $100, $130. Up top, you got the 312s. Right there, those ain't too bad, $60. Got Jordan 37s right here, grade school. And this one's not bad, $50 for grade school. Ooh, this one's even better, $40 right here for the 37s. Not bad at all. Then this is the rest of the kids section. Not seeing too much. They do have plenty of stuff. Everything does have a sales tag on it, but I don't see anything like crazy. Do got the Air Max 90s right here, as well as the 95s. Speed Turfs right there. That kind of sticks out in my head. And then the Human Race slides right here, $60. These normally were $100, but we've even seen these at the Ross, so not too crazy. Do got some New Balance 574, $40. That's not too bad. And then all black right here. That's not bad at all. I really like that one. Got a couple more. Colorways are okay, but just nothing too crazy. That black one, I really like that black one. The shape is a little weird. Someone tried it on or something, but yeah, I really like that suede on it. Speaking about buying stuff off season, $20 for Nike hoodies. These are normally $70. These are good down to $20. They have quite a few hoodies, a few different styles. $65. This is a small, but down to $20. Got a medium here as well. Timberland jackets right here, normally $100, down to $20. Bunch of raincoats and that type of stuff. Got CSG gear, $50 down to $20. Nike stuff right here, $75 down to $20. Definitely worth stopping by. I've been talking about buying stuff off season. I've been talking about that for years, to be honest. I don't know if some of you guys are new. You guys are saying like, oh, he's trying to act like he's giving out groundbreaking info. Like, I've been talking about this for years, and plenty of people do, plenty of people have. That's the whole point of the channel. Try to be cheap as hell, man. But yeah, $60 down to $20. Definitely worth it. Some more of the, what's called, New Balance right there. More of the Timberlands right there, and then $70 New Balance gear. You rarely ever see New Balance gear. I've even heard New Balance fans saying, oh, dude, the gear is trash. But yeah, $20. And then I think the steal of the day, these Vans right here. Vans boots for $20 freaking. They had my size. I might think about it. And then I'm gonna grab Brandon's $5 special right here. What Brandon said they should be $5. That fool's crazy. That's wild. But yeah, I'm gonna grab these because I'm just gonna leave it in my trunk. And if I ever play hoops somewhere, I'll just throw these mother lovers on. Yeah, 10.5. I did go true to size. They're hard as hell to put on, but when they
Or you go pick up trash at the beach.
this fool said I should wear this when I put trash at the beach. Damn fool, you're harsh, dude. You're harsh to Trey Young, dude.
That shit is terrible.
That's a signature shoe, dog. So I did do the size swap for the shorts, and then did pay $20 for the Trey Young 2s.
Overpaid for the
And apparently overpaid. Brandon said they're worth like $5.
overpaid for them.
Damn, you're tough, fool. You're tough. Damn, dog. All right, we're out, man. We're out. Make sure you guys subscribe, do all that good stuff. We out, man. So Brandon and I were talking. This is the deadest mall in Southern California. Like, I can't think of any other ones. There used to be a Liz. Even that Liz is closed now. Oh, how sad. Literally 70% of the stores here are out of commission. They're empty. That store's closing right there. And then, like, look, like almost every store is closed. This store right here is closed as well. This one's been closed for a minute. There used to be a Vans right here. That Vans is gone. Holy crap. Their anchor store is Round One, and you can even see the lids. There's a lid sign right there. But yeah, Round One seems to be doing okay, but that's about it. Like every other place empty. And Brandon even said, like, they don't even have a food court. He's right. No food court here. No food court. Okay, this is their food court right here. I was telling Brandon, I was like, I think they technically have a food court, but not really. But literally 2 food places open. That's it. Wow, and everything else is closed. Holy cow. Even Hot Dog on a Stick is closed. Holy cow. This is kind of depressing, dog. This is a depressing ass place. Movie theater's still open. I've seen a movie here before. But that's it. Tacos Mexico right there is closed. Tokyo Grill. Wow. Damn, it's so sad how dead this mall is, because this is where Foot Locker first started. I had to look it up. Brandon didn't believe me. I was like, fuck. No, I looked it up, and yeah, it was the first Foot Locker location ever. They even had a Foot Action here at one point, so they had a Foot Action, Foot Locker, and the Champs Outlet. When I first started the channel, I used to visit all 3. And yeah, dead mall now, dude. Dead mall. Hopefully the Champs doesn't close anytime soon. See what happens. We out in West Covina. Semi-annual clearance sale. Fans is owned by Lit, so yeah, let's go see what they got on sale, man. So everything on here, $10. Then they got Dunks. But look at this, they still have these. That's surprising. Oh, they got one last size left.